Hello, welcome to our classes. I am Dr. K.K. Misra. This video tutorial is on UGC NTA Net paper first. Topic is research aptitude. Now come to the questions. Question number 1. The meaning of the definition of a problem is A. To define the complex words in the problem and suggest their meaning in the light of the problem. B. To limit the problem in words. C. To present definition of different authors related to problem. Or D. None. The correct option is A. To define the complex words in the problem and suggest their meaning in the light of the problem. 2. The advantage of synopsis is A. It clearly shows the way of research. B. It visualizes the various difficulties related with different steps of research. C. It helps in planning various steps of research. D. All. The correct option is D. All. 3. The meaning of the probability sampling is A. Where lies the uniform probability of inclusion of all the elements of the population in a sample. B. Where the complete representativeness of the population is considered. C. Where no prejudices are existed with any element of the sample. D. All. Here correct option is all. Question number 4. According to Good, Barr and Scates, one of the following is not the source of problem. A. Specific studies. B. Analysis of the field of knowledge. C. Suggestions of an intelligent person. Or D. Different area under the study. The correct option is C. Suggestions of an intelligent person. 5. Hypothesis is A thoughtful statement. B. A forwarding statement. C. A temporary solution. D. All. The correct option is D. All. 6. Which one of the following is treated as basis of evaluation for the proposed problem of research? A. Ability of a problem. B. Presence of problem solving potentiality. C. Possibilities of data collection from the sample. D. All. Here correct option is D. All. 7. The type of hypothesis is A. Interrogative form. B. Declarative form. C. Directional. Or D. All. Here correct option is D. All. 8. The gaps in explanations is meant by A. When there is disagreement in the expression of an explanation. B. When there appears difference in explanation. C. When there is vagueness in an explanation. Or D. All. Here correct option is D. All. 9. The quality of a problem is A. Clarity. B. Word of for solution. C. Hypothesis oriented. D. All. Here correct option is D. All. 10. Which of the following is not a quality of a problem? A. Innate nature of the problem. B. Practicality of the problem. C. Problem according to the interests of the researcher. Or D. Measurability of problem. The correct option is A. Innate nature of the problem. 11. The research problems available in the field of philosophy are called as A. Philosophical problems. B. Historical problems. C. Presentable problems. Or D. Invisible problems. The correct option is A. Philosophical problems. 12. Suppose the population is quite comprehensive and distributed in a large geographical area. In such a situation, what kind of sampling procedure would you like to adopt? A. Multi-level sampling. B. Systematic sampling. C. Cluster sampling. Or D. None. The correct option is C. Cluster sampling. 13. The background of the historical researches is A. In the form of chronological sequence. B. In the form of historical data and facts. C. Both of the above. Or D. None. Here correct option is C. Both of the above. 14. A good synopsis is considered as A. A halfway research. B. A complete research. C. A partial research. D. A beginning of research. The correct option is A. A halfway research. 15. The advantage of the sample is A. Time saving. B. Money saving. C. Energy saving, D. All. Here correct option is D. All. 16. The basic principle of the problem selection is A. Novelty of a problem, B. Practicality of a problem, C. Future orientation of a problem, or D. All. The correct option is D. All. 17. Problem is A. Obstacle in the way of needs, B. Suggested question for a problem, C. An interrogative question, or D. All. The correct option is D. All. 18. When a possible solution to the problem has been written in desired direction, this type of hypothesis is called A. Directional hypothesis, B. Non-directional, C. Declarative, D. None. The correct option is A. The purposive sample will be A. Depending on the researcher's whims, B. Based upon a specific objective of sampling procedure, C. Based on the excellent method of sampling, D. None. The option is B. Based upon a specific objective of sampling procedure. 20. The best quality of a researcher is A. Curiosity, B. Active imagination, C. Ability, D. All. The correct option is A. Curiosity. 21. The synopsis of research is called A. Blueprint, B. Mapping of problem, C. Base of a problem, D. All. The correct option is D. All. 22. The advantage of random sampling is A. It is the excellent method of sample selection, B. It is an economic method in terms of money, time and energy, C. It produces accurate results, D. All. The correct option is D. All. 23. The limit of the probability sample is A. It is not giving guarantee of representativeness of the sample from a population. B. The data do fulfill the standards of the normal probability curve. C. It has great risk of generalization of the results, or D. All. The correct of D. All. 24. Systematic sampling is A. Comprehensive method of sample selection, B. A simple method of sample selection, C. An effective method of generalization of data, or D. All. The correct option is D. All. 25. The delimitations of a sample are A. Possibility of basis, B. Needs of trained persons, C. Inconsistency of the sample units, or all. The correct option is D. All. 26. The basis of selection of the problem is A. To just opposite experiences, B. Decisions given after research, C. The counseling with experts, or all. The correct option is D. All. 27. How one can select a new problem of the research from the researches which have been already completed? So the correct option is C. By searching the literature in the library. 28. The problem arises from two opposite experiences when A. They guarantee conflicts, B. They generate struggles, C. They come in comprise with each other, D. None. The correct option is A. 29. The nature of a hypothesis is A. Conceptual, B. Declarative, C. Action oriented, or D. All. The correct option is D. All. 30. In stratified sampling, the units are selected. The correct option is A. After dividing the population in different groups on the basis of specific standard and then taking an equal proportion of units from each group. So this was all about this particular video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, our classes, and press the bell button and pass on to others those who are needed and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.